Hello friends and fans. Today, we're come with the most unique smartphones of the year, the Sony Xperia 1 VI. Sony has stayed true to its distinct design and feature set, setting itself apart from many competitors. The Xperia 1 VI isn't just another phone. It's packed with elements we don't see often in today's market. From an advanced camera system to incredible battery life and practical, everyday features, this phone is made for those who appreciate top-notch engineering. Let's go through all its standout features, one by one. First up, let's talk about the design. The Xperia 1.6 has a minimalist look that hides its high-tech build. There's no flashy protruding camera bump here. Sony has kept things sleek with flat metal-framed camera lenses. Adding to the durability, the phone's back isn't just glass. It's covered in a unique rubber-like textured material that feels tough and shows almost no fingerprints. A nice touch for maintaining that clean look. Plus, it's lighter than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, even though it houses a larger battery. Now, moving on to the display. Sony has switched things up with a 6.5-inch OLED screen that now has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, making it slightly wider than previous Xperia models. This screen offers a variable refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, making it flexible and power efficient. With 1500 nits of peak brightness, it performs well in sunlight, though it doesn't hold the very top spot. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the display resists scratches and maintains Sony's reputation for durability, while the move to Full HD Plus resolution, down from 4K, helps improve battery life. Speaking of battery, this phone's power source is truly impressive. The Xperia 1 VI is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which Sony claims can last up to 2 days. It supports 30W fast charging, giving you a 50% charge in just 30 minutes, and fully charges in about 1.5 hours. With wireless and reverse wireless charging, Sony has packed all the options for convenient charging. It even allows you to set a maximum charge limit to extend the battery's long-term life. Now, moving to performance. Powered by the latest Snapdragon processor and 12 GB of RAM, this phone delivers outstanding speed and responsiveness. Sony keeps things simple with an almost stock Android experience, only adding a few of its own apps for the camera and music. While it doesn't heavily rely on artificial intelligence like other brands, Google Assistant is on board for those who want AI features. On storage, Sony keeps things flexible. The Xperia 1 VI comes with 256 GB of internal storage, but thanks to the MicroSD card slot, you can expand your storage without needing any tools, something many other brands have removed. Now let's move to the camera system, one of the Xperia 1 VI's standout features. The main camera has a 24mm lens with a 48-megapixel sensor providing excellent detail and low light performance thanks to dual-layer transistors. The ultra-wide 16mm lens with a 12-megapixel sensor features autofocus, ensuring clear shots even on wide angles. For zoom, the Xperia 1 VI has a variable telephoto lens ranging from 85,170mm, delivering 3.5x to 7.1x optical zoom. This setup offers flexibility. You can even record 4K videos at 120 FPS for incredible slow-motion shots. Moving on to audio and expandability, Sony has kept the beloved 3.5mm headphone jack, allowing wired audio fans to connect their favorite headphones. Dual front-firing stereo speakers provide immersive sound, and for additional storage, there's the MicroSD slot, another practical feature Sony's kept that other brands have abandoned. When it comes to durability, Sony ensures this phone is built to last. With waterproofing that lasts up to 30 minutes at 1.5 meters, it's robust for everyday mishaps. Sony also made sustainability a focus, using 85% recycled plastic in the phone and removing plastic from the packaging entirely. Now let's talk software. Sony's commitment to updates, unfortunately, isn't as extensive as others, with only 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. This may be disappointing for those expecting longer support, given the phone's longevity-focused hardware. A few areas, like the relatively low brightness on the display and a loud vibration motor, could be improved. Additionally, the telephoto lens isn't as sharp as the main camera, and the price is high, at €1,399. In conclusion, The Sony Xperia 1 VI is an exceptional phone with unique features you won't find anywhere else. It has a minimalist, durable design, an uninterrupted display, amazing battery life, and advanced camera capabilities. While it's not without its downsides, the Xperia 1 VI is ideal for those who value quality and longevity. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.